What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We've got the fall vibes in full swing. As you can tell, today we are looking at the brand new Supreme and Nike SB Dunk Low in the red and white colorway. Here we go. So Nike and Supreme have a long history of collaborating together on a bunch of sneakers, and one of them is the SB Dunk Low. The very first iteration of the SB Dunk Low with Supreme came out in 2002, and it had a lot of design nods to the Air Jordan 3, coming out in a black cement colorway and other similar colorways that were very reminiscent of that Air Jordan 3 look. Those shoes are now extremely rare and very high value, of course, on the resale market. If you look at websites like StockX and Ungrailed, they're going for thousands and thousands of dollars. Then, 10 years later, in 2012, Supreme and Nike came together once again to create a red cement version of the SB Dunk Low, which again is kind of reminiscent of those early Jordan numbers with that kind of snakeskin look and the colorways, and the whole vibe was very early Jordan-esque. But now we have the 2019 version, which for once does not have any prints. Instead, we do get a metallic finish in 3 different colors. We have this color here, which is the metallic red and white color. We have a blue and gold colorway, and then a black and silver. They originally released on September the 5th for a price of $110 US, or I'm not sure how much Canadian, but $110 US. Unfortunately, I was unsuccessful getting these on the Supreme website, but I did get these on the Sneakers app from the US and had them shipped up here to Toronto, Canada. Now, if we take a look at this box, this is a classic Nike SB box done in that turquoise blue, black, and white colorway. Of course, the top of the box has that Nike SB branding, and if we look at the style tag, we see that these are the Nike SB Dunk Low OG. They are a size 8.5, and the official colorway is varsity red, white. Alright, let's open the box and see what these look like. And here is the shoe. Now, taking a look at the upper of these shoes, we are first hit with that toe box area, which is done in that varsity red or that metallic red colorway throughout the toe box. And then the rest of the upper is done in that white leather finish around the swoosh and around the heel. Speaking of the swoosh, it is done in that air bubble raised finish, and it is done in that red colorway. And then beside that swoosh on the lateral side of the shoe, we do have a Supreme and Black Star branding, denoting that this is the Supreme collab SB Dunk Low, which you would probably tell by the color anyways, but nonetheless, they do have that Supreme stamp there with that black star to give you that extra branded finish. Moving along to the back, we do have that black and brighter Nike text, and then on the tongue, we do have that Nike SB Dunk Low Pro branding on a white woven tag with black text, and of course, like all Dunk Low Pros or Dunk Lows, we do have that extra thick tongue, which is used as protection when you are skateboarding in these shoes. Now, the shoes come laced with a white pair of laces, but they do come with an extra pair of red laces in case you want that red on white on red look. And then looking at the insole of the shoes, they are done in a red finish with the Nike SB branding, but if you line the two shoes up, you can't really see it. It actually says the word Supreme across both of the shoes. Last but not least, looking at the midsole and outsole of these shoes, the midsole is done in a white rubber finish with the outsole kind of leaking onto the midsole, done in a matching red finish. And then these shoes did come with a small accessory. It is the Nike SB tag that is supposed to be hung through one of the lace holes on the shoe, or maybe even on a keychain if you want to, and it says world famous Supreme and Nike, done on a black and clear finish. And that is pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below with your feedback and what you want to see me review next or talk about in the next video. But until then, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.